Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have the SJCAM here, the SJ9 Strike model. I'm going to show you how to factory reset it back to your factory default settings as if you just bought it. Okay, so I need to go ahead and do a factory reset on mine here. So first thing is turn it on. Go ahead and click on the gear icon right here, and then from here you just want to go ahead and scroll down, and you want to go down to default settings. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and factory reset this right now. You can see my frequency is on 60 hertz right now. I'm gonna go ahead and change it. I'm gonna go ahead and do a factory reset now. It's gonna change it back to 50 hertz when I took it back out of the box. Anyways, tap on default setting here, tap on OK. It's gonna go ahead and reboot. Give this a second to boot back up here. Okay, it's done. So now if I go ahead and click on settings, now all the settings are back to exactly how it was when I first took it out of the box. And let's see here. Yeah, just like the frequency too, it's at 50. I need to change it back to 60. I'm here in the USA. So I'll change that back to 60. And there you go. Pretty simple. Any questions or anything, just comment below. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.